If you want to learn quick and easy ways to solve math problems, please like and subscribe to my channel.
I can articulate and use the laws of radicals governing addition and subtraction and be able to perform the operations. At the end of the lesson, check your understanding by answering the following questions. Number 1. What are similar radicals? Number 2. Can we add and subtract the similar radicals? Number 3. What is the law governing addition and subtraction of radicals? As part of our journey with John's Gospel, Chapter 1 is about John the Baptist's testimony to himself. Join me in the Jordan River, where John the Baptist performs his significant task.
There is one to come, greater than me, who will baptize with fire. I am just a voice in the wilderness, preparing the way for the...
Lord, don't stop. Surely I need you to baptize me. John, what you are doing is right. Baptize me.
What do you know about John the Baptist? What characteristics of John do you want to have too? Let's go now to our lesson proper. We know already about radicals, right? In our previous lesson, we learned that radicals is just an equivalent form of an expression with a rational exponent. Let's talk about similar radicals. Similar radicals are radicals of the same order and have same radicand. Your task is to write 3 similar radicals in your notebook. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you know that only similar radicals can be combined through addition and subtraction? In combining similar radicals, simply add and subtract its coefficient and copy the common radical. Examples. Let's answer number 1 example first. 2 square root of x plus 3 square root of x. In this example, we will simply add their coefficients, 2 and 3, and copy the common radical square root of x equals 5 square root of x. Number 2. 15 cube root 2y squared minus 5 cube root 2y squared. In this example, we will simply subtract their coefficients. So, 15 minus 5 is 10. And copy the common radical cube root of 2y squared equals 10 cube root of 2y squared. Number 3 example is a combination of addition and subtraction. 25 cube root 2xy squared plus 10 cube root 2xy squared minus 50 cube root 2xy squared. In this example, we will add first 25 and 10, then subtract 50. So, 25 plus 10 minus 50 equals negative 15, right? Then copy the common radical, cube root 2xy squared, resulting to negative 15 cube root 2xy squared. Now, there are some instances that you are asked to add and subtract the similar radicals as it seems, but actually, they are similar. What you need to do is to make sure that each radical is expressed in its simplest form first. In this example, square root of 2 is in its simplest form. How about square root of 50? Square root of 50 is not yet in its simplest form. So what is the simplest form of square root of 50? 5 square root of 2, right? Now that square root of 2 can be added to the simplest form of square root of 50, which is 5 square root of 2, the result will be 6 square root of 2. Another example, m square root of 2x squared minus 4mx square root of 2. Simplify first m square root of 2x squared, resulting to mx square root of 2. Now you can subtract 4mx square root of 2 from the simplest form of m square root of 2x squared, which is mx square root of 2, resulting to negative 3mx square root of 2. There are also instances that you can't combine all given radicals. Example, cube root xy plus 3 square root xy squared minus 4 square root x squared y plus 6 cube root xy. As you can see, only the first and the last term are similar. So combining this will result to 7 cube root xy. Then simply put the other two terms. To sum up what we had today, we learned that similar radicals are radicals with same order and have same radicand. Only similar radicals are combined, and in combining similar radicals, just add and subtract the coefficients and copy the common radical. What do we learn from John the Baptist? It is written in John chapter 1 verses 26 to 27, and I quote, "I baptized with water," John replied, "but among you stands one who do not know. He is the one who comes after me, the straps of whose sandals I am not worthy to untie." The Nativity of John the Baptist is a Christian feast day celebrating the birth of John the Baptist. The Nativity of John the Baptist is a high-ranking liturgical feast kept in the Roman Catholic, Anglican, Eastern Orthodox, and Lutheran churches. The sole biblical account of the birth of John the Baptist comes from the Gospel of Luke. There are different ways how Filipinos celebrate the feast of John the Baptist. In San Juan City, the Wata Wata, or the traditional Basaan Festival. People in Visayas also celebrate the feast of John the Baptist. In Sara, Iloilo, the Sulay Basya Festival is anticipated every year. Sulay is an Ilonggo word mean to get wet, and Basya means to those with water. Nueva Ecija celebrates the feast of Saint John the Baptist in its own special way. Though they do not drench themselves in water, as in the tradition in different areas, devotees would smear themselves with mud and in dry banana leaves to emulate the saint who disguised himself to hide from the people who want to kill him for being the chosen one to baptize Jesus. In Balayan, Batangas, the Parada ng Lechon or Roasted Pig Parade is celebrated. Humility is one of the striking characteristics of John the Baptist. As Santonians, it is also the value we ought to live. We can simply practice this by accepting our weaknesses and reach out to our classmates, parents, and teachers for help. Stay safe, stay connected to God. See you next time in a more fun, collaborative, meaningful sharing of knowledge. God bless!